Hello guys. So today's our topic is calculator using logic gates. Myself, Sairya Patel. So our topic is introduction to logic gates. What are logic gates? Logic gates are electronic devices that operate on one or more binary inputs to produce a single binary output. They are crucial in digital circuits as they implement basic logical operations such as AND, OR, and NOT, forming the core of computational logic processes. Types of logic gates. The main types of logic gates include AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND, NOR, XOR, and XNOR gate. Each type serves a unique purpose in processing binary inputs, enabling complex functions and operations in digital electronics. Basic operations of AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. AND, OR, and NOT gates are the fundamental operations in logic circuits. An AND gate outputs true only if all inputs are true, while an OR gate outputs true if at least one input is true. NOT gates invert the input value, providing the basic basis for more complex computational tasks. Importance in digital circuits. Logic gates are integral to the functioning of all digital devices, from computers to smartphones. Without them, complex calculations and data processing would be impossible, highlighting their vital role in modern technology.
Yes, so my topic is understanding a calculator. First, definition of a calculator. A calculator is an electronic device designed to perform mathematical calculations. It operates using either mechanical parts or electronic circuits and can perform basic arithmetic or advanced function based on its design. So as we know, what is a calculator? Calculator is used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and many more types of calculator. So calculator is basically divided into four parts. First, basic calculators means as we use the digital calculator, it comes under basic calculator. Scientific calculators, which are used to find scientific calculations like sine theta, sine, tan, and cos functions. And then comes graphic calculators and financial calculators. Each type serves specific functions based on user needs and complexity of computations. So, role of logic gates in calculations. So, how logic gates are used in calculations? Logic gates are basically fundamental building blocks or digital circuits and are crucial for performing calculations in calculators. They help to process binary input signals and produce outputs based on logical relationship enabling arithmetic operation. So, it is used to perform basic logical operations. Basic logical operations that are foundation of arithmetic and other calculation. These gates like AND, OR, NOT, and XOR combines input signals and produce output signals based on specific logical rules. By connecting these gates in various combinations, calculators can implement functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this comes under arithmetic operations. So simple arithmetic operations. Calculators primarily perform basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These operations are executed through sequence of logic gates, combinations producing precise results from binary inputs.
Hello everyone, myself Mayur Magrola, calculator using logic gates. Today's my topic is designing a calculator using logic gates. Now understand this. Our first subtopic is circuit using overview. circuit design overview, right? A calculator circuit design integrates various logic gates to perform arithmetic functions. Key consideration include understanding how gates combine to achieve desired output for input signals, which form the backbone of digital components. Now see this diagram. Now we forward our next topic. Our next subtopic is components required. For these basic components required for this implement a calculator. The primary components required for designing a calculator include logic gates, for example, AND, OR, NOT, flip-flops, multiplexers, and a display unit. Each components play a crucial role in a processing data and providing outputs as user friendly results. Okay, now see this diagram, circuit diagram. Now we move forward upon third topic. The third subtopic is building the logic circuit. This is the heading of the third topic. Now, constructing the logic circuit involves interconnecting the chosen gates according to the defined logic function. This physical loyalty must ensure accurate signal transmission to achieve correct computation for the inputs providing by users. Now see this diagram. This is a breadboard and some extra tools. Now we're moving forward our fourth subtopic is simulation techniques. Okay, now we move forward to paragraph. Simulation technique utilize software tools to test and validate the logic circuits functionality before physical implementation. These steps is critical of identify potential issues. Okay, now see this diagram. Okay, thank you everyone. This is calculator using logic gates. Thank you.